Handy Hudsonite here. Are tracking devices for bringing down your insurance costs for your vehicles worth it? We'll take a look at it right after this. Let's face it, auto insurance is expensive these days, and it's not getting any cheaper, especially if you have something on your record, you have an accident that's still on your record. Your insurance rates are through the roof for sure. And if you're financing your vehicle, they're only even more expensive. So what are ways that we can bring down the cost of our auto insurance? There are a number of different ways that we probably are all aware of, and those are good driving records. Those are just making sure that we have cars that are well maintained. Generally, older cars are going to cost us less when it comes to insurance coverage. So getting a pre-owned vehicle as opposed to something brand new is going to keep your insurance rates down. What I want to focus on today is about tracking devices that insurance companies can give you. And these devices, I don't have one. We had one at one point, but they usually like them back. But I do have the box, and we're with Safeco currently. And this is the box that our tracking device, it's called Right Track, I believe. Yeah, Right Track came in, and they send you out this device, and then what you do is you plug it into your OBD console, and that's the console underneath your steering column where you can plug in a engine check tool. That's where they plug in the device to check here, at least here in the state of Washington, to check your emissions. And it's easy, you just plug it in there, and then they want you to drive around with it for about 3 months. Now the trick to it is you pretty much have to drive really carefully, and it tracks your acceleration and deceleration particularly. Those are the things that it's looking for because it's trying to track how safe of a driver you are. And the safer you are with your driving, the less your insurance coverage will be when the time period is up for you to turn in your tracker. And we found this out. We tried to drive as carefully as we could, but you know, there's situations where you have to accelerate fast to get into an intersection or slow down. It's always the advantage of the insurance company. And you can track where you are. I believe we were able to track where we were, like in this percentage. So I think the most that we could get off was about 10% off of our coverage. Maybe it was 15%. Could have been higher. It was a few years ago. But it's another great way to bring down our rates. It did save us money month to month, and that adds up over time. So look into it. See if your insurance company offers these tracking devices, and put it in your car, and for 3 months or so, just really try to drive extra careful. Now, we should be extra careful to begin with, but I'm talking, really drive in such a way where it's almost painfully careful. So just another way that a lot of people either don't think about to bring down your insurance rates, or maybe you don't want to deal with it, but they ship this out to you. You can ship it back. It's very easy. You plug it in, and then you just kind of leave it in there until the period of driving time is over. Thanks for watching, and I'm the Handy Hudsonite. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips, hacks, and reviews like this one so that you can get the job done. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you can get content when it goes up, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.